Hi, I'm Diana. I was given this electric salad spinner in return for this video, so let's check it out. First of all, it does two things. It's not just for spinning lettuce. This is also for cleaning your fruits and vegetables, which I actually think I'm going to use that feature more because it's always kind of a pain to clean off those fruits and vegetables. It's super important to do, but it's a bit of a task. This makes it super easy. Now let's say we're going to wash our vegetables. So it's a little bit different setup. This is like a silicone. It's very gentle on the fruits and vegetables. It's an agitator. Think of it as kind of like a washing machine agitator. And there you go. Now, if you want to dry your fruits and vegetables off, once you've washed them, you can go ahead and strain most of the water out. Put them in here, put that in here, and then do the same kind of thing you do with your lettuce just to get all the water out of your fruits and vegetables. You do get a charging port. It's kind of like one of those phone chargers. You can actually use this to charge your phone, but this is to charge this base. It takes about 6 hours to fully charge. You're going to be able to get 100 spins out of it. So it's going to last quite a while. So definitely check it out. I think it's just a great kitchen gadget to have.